Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your archived projects. Now, if you don't know how to archive a project, let me just quickly walk you through that again. So to do that, you want to go ahead and find a project on the left hand side that you want to archive. And let's say this is a project test. I'm going to go ahead and just click on the project. Then at the upper left, right beside the project name, you have a drop down called actions. Click on that and click on archive. Now you see that the project is archived. Now, how do you find those archive projects? At the top, you have a search. Click on that. Ensure that project is selected. Then in the search towards the right, you have advanced search. It says show advanced search. Click on that. Again, ensure that the project is selected, which will most likely be the case. Then you want to switch the status to archive. So click the drop down and click on archive. Then go ahead and hit search. That is going to find all of your archive projects. And as you can see, these are my archive projects. And you can go ahead and you can click on those archive projects to open them. So you can go ahead and you find a project here. You can see that it's archived. You can go ahead and even unarchive it if you want by simply restoring it. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.